Hey, I'm Kate from WeRollWithIt. Today I have a super easy install video for you. It is the roof rack rails, so let's have some jazzy music. And roof rack rails. They're pretty simple. Pretty much everyone who's doing a van is going to need them, and they do not come stock. So unless you've ordered your van with them, you're going to get up there and realize that you want to put some accessories on the roof. There's no roof rack rails. You can get some aftermarket ones. I grabbed mine from Mercedes. They will come to you in a cardboard tube, this big old long one, and inside the tube you're going to find one long piece of roof rack rail and a shorter guy. They're going to connect together. It's really simple because basically Mercedes has already put the holes in the roof that are going to align with these. The left and the right side are identical, so there's no way that you can get them wrong. If they only go in one direction, they won't work the other way, so you really cannot stuff this up. You're also going to get a little bag of pretty awesome jazzy nuts that come with the roof rack rails. These are what is going to join them onto your van from the inside. The tools you're going to need are 10mm socket, one of these little magic guys for prying things off. Actually, I think they're called like a plastic removal kit or something like that. They come in different sizes. They're super handy, get it anyway. And pliers. They don't have to be as big as mine, but I ordered a big set because it's kind of easy to use. And any kind of sealant, so you can use silicone, you can use this, you can use a little thing of Sikaflex, whatever it is of your preference, just something. And honestly, even in the Mercedes instructions, this isn't required, so it's kind of an additional extra. So up to you if you want to use it or not. I like it. Okay. So I'm going to show you what we're dealing with inside. Okay, so show you what I'm looking at here. This is inside the van, obviously, and I'm going up into the roof here, and you can see there's basically a channel going along, and there's these little things. Okay, let's get a closer look at that. That's what we're looking for. This is a piece of plastic, and we're going to get all of these out. These are the holes where our roof rack rails are going to come through from the ceiling. So let's go upstairs and I'll show you what these look like. Okay, so just so you can see, this is what these little guys look like on top. And so that's run all the way along. Okay, back underneath, and this is what I'm doing. So I'm taking my big old pliers that I've got here. Let me just, you can see, okay, there's that little toggle that we looked at before. Just getting my pliers on there, and I'm essentially just going to rip him off, right? These things, we don't need to keep them, we're not using them again, they're throwaway items, so to rip them off, it's going to make it easier when we get on top to pull these things off. Some people use heat guns and stuff like that, but I just find that's really messy with the glue and stuff. So this is a quick, simple way of doing it. Rip the bottoms off all of them. They run all along the left and the right hand side, so find them all, rip them off, and then we're going to go back up on the roof. Alright, so up on the roof, that's that little tool we're going to use. Pry up this guy, just get it under him. Pick off any of this glue that's left behind. Right, all the little plugs are out. Now I'm just going to clean along here. Just make sure there's no dirt or anything in the gutter where the rails are going to go. So we get a nice good seal. Alright, now I've got my two pieces of roof rack rails up here. Everything's all clean, ready to go. The shorter piece goes toward the back of the vehicle, and they just put together. That. Okay, I'm just going to leave them there lined up, ready to go in, and then I'm going to take my, whatever I'm using for this one I'm using the marine sealant. I'm going to put a little bit around all of the holes. I'm going to do all the holes and then I'm going to flip this in. Okay, great. Now we're gonna go back inside. All right, back inside now, and we can see our little screws coming through from the ceiling. So we take our bolts there, and we're gonna, or nuts there rather. So they're gonna go. And then I'm gonna come back with the gun and tighten them all up. Okay, so that's it. Now you have roof rack rails, ready to put whatever accessories you're going to put up there, your solar panels, maybe your backwards rack, whatever it might be that's going to go upstairs. Make sure that you hit the subscribe if you want to see me install more cool things onto Sprinter vans. Thank you, bye!